大家好，我是阿勇，
大家好，我米芳华啦。
欢迎收看英台 Express。
Your one-stop shop for Taiwanese and English language exchange.
逐集我会拣一条英语的新闻，互阿华翻译。
And I'll pick a Taiwanese news article for Ion to translate into English. 咱这礼拜嘛真济哦，有4条新闻，互大家听看卖过年期间拢发生什么代志。
好来，
纪录片《无美录》的主角昆宾伯啊，20号的下晡踮台南青寮因厝邻过身。
Uncle Kunbin, a farmer from Dai Lam, who was featured in the 2004 documentary Let It Be, passed away in his Cai Liao home on February 20th.
享基寿92岁。
He was 92 years old.
第2条，台61线西滨快速道路21号早起大忙大震动，有3批拢总21台车拢做一伙。
Heavy fog on the morning of the 21st along Route 61, the West Coast Expressway, led to a triple pileup involving 21 cars in total.
2死8伤。
There were 2 fatalities and 8 injured.
第3条，跨性别的网庆网友抛出一张超音波的相片，讲伊有身啊。
Transgender internet personality Bong Yo posted a photo of an ultrasound claiming to be pregnant.
大家拢讲假奇怪，伊也无主姜啊。
Everyone said, isn't that strange? How can you be pregnant without a uterus?
过来第4条，这是咱未种也有咧看的观众朋友专工替咱写出来的新闻哦。这是吴明峰甲朱子宏写的，来咱来听看卖。有100万人咧订阅的网庆 YouTuber 艾丽莎莎，
Ali Sasa, a YouTuber with over 1 million followers,
做一个影片讲啉橄榄油透葡萄柚啊汁，就通甲胆石排出来。
posted a video claiming that drinking olive oil and grapefruit juice can help to pass gallstones.
影片播出来，引起台大病院小儿科医师兼 YouTuber 冲那甲来批评。
The video was roundly criticized by NTU hospital pediatrician and YouTuber Tong Nagap.
两人踮线顶小争2暝日，尾啊艾丽莎莎认毋对，甲观众会失咧。
After a few days of back and forth, Ali Sasa admitted she was in the wrong and apologized to her viewers. 拄则讲头一个吼，伊讲迄个乡基寿，这是什么意思啊？
这就是对古早汉文提出来。即马台湾的礼仪社已经有规套的规矩，讲咱今仔日过身的人是几岁到几岁，你的福音就是迄张贴仔要甲人讲，咱厝里有人过身的迄张贴仔，顶悬写的字，就对咧会无共吼。咱整理互观众朋友听看卖。
好嘞。
过身的人若是29岁以下，安尼叫做得年。30至59岁，或者享年；
乡里
60至89岁，或者享寿。
乡修
90至99岁，就是昆宾伯安尼享基寿。
乡基修
若较加100岁，即叫做享长寿。
乡上修安尼介复杂啊。
嘿，其实咱一世人用袂着几摆啦，咱要听过就好。
好过来英语的新闻吼，你敢有听到即礼拜介大条的新闻？你敢知影？即马免册你找袂到澳洲的新闻？
对，我10当前捌去澳洲遐做代劳，其实对即件代志，心肝来想讲，莫安尼。咱来听看卖。
Facebook is preventing people inside Australia from accessing news stories on its platform.
人面册真无通，即马伫因的平台，澳洲国内拢无通取用新闻。
In addition, Facebook users elsewhere will not be able to view or share news stories from Australian outlets.
安尼澳洲outlet咧做的新闻，别位的面册使用者拢袂用咧看，袂用咧分享。
The moves are a response to proposed legislation.
这动作是咧回应有人提出要立法。
that would force social media platforms to pay Australian news organizations for links shared on its sites.
叫社交媒体平台讲，若有澳洲新闻组织的网链分享伫因的网站，因就爱钱互人。
Facebook and Google have threatened to pull out of the country.
人面册甲 Google 拢捌呛讲要退出这个国家啦。
But Google, whose business model relies on news links, hammered out a deal.
Google 的生理模式靠新闻网链较济，嘛真无简单，才甲澳洲迄边拍到一个契约。
Whereas Facebook, which depends less on publishers, put up a fight.
面册较无靠出版商咧接清的，就甲因战落啊。
A fellow at the Yale School of Law said,
耶鲁法学院一个院士讲。
It is a kind of stark reminder of the control that they have over what people see. This could have serious consequences.
讲这了亲像一个真直接的提醒，互咱知影因足会用咧控制民众看到啥，效果无定会真严重。
你都在讲什么？人面册，不是面册就好啊？
系啊，开始我本人讲面册较济啦，毋过因为咱台语有真济面，细面、局面、倒面、水面，拢是面，所以我就捌听一寡较老闲的台语人，因会特别讲人面册，安尼听起来较 specific， 就较袂混毋着去讲你即到底是咧讲什么面。
好，安尼就人面册嘛会使吼。还有一个我听着你讲，我讲 outlet， 你敢若直接音乐讲 outlet 安尼，敢是？
对，因为阮台中遐，即马较我台中港有一个新开发的，讲几年前有日本人或者三井走去遐开一间，其实都是百货公司，毋知是安怎号一个名，就叫做奥莱。我就听阮兜的是大人，就会讲无咱即马塞车来去奥莱遐踅踅行，所以我就想讲，安尼奥莱即个物件，老闲的台语人已经有咧讲啊，就甲当做一个台语的新字直接摕来用就好。
毋过即个 outlet 吼。敢若较我迄个法语讲牛奶吼，迄个讲咖啡乌类。
乌类啊，就合作乌类啊，乌类甲乌类就无共意思啊。啊，你若正经有咧烦恼吼，因为咱台语真方便，就是咱有7声8调，无你就一个新的另外一个词语，搁入来你就甲伊叫做乌类，啊，甲乌类就无共啊。
乌类，安尼嘛会使，是，无对。你若感觉阳台 Express 对你有帮助
？Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. 若是有任何你想要看到阮两个互相翻译的新闻
，Feel free to drop us a line down there in the comments.
See you next time.
再会。